How to fix incorrect password in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger on your device. In here, simply click on Forgot Password after you have already tried your password and it is showing incorrect password. After you click on Forgot Password, enter your phone number or click on Search by Email instead. After you've clicked on Search by Email instead, add your email and press on Continue. After you've pressed on Continue, in here click on Get Code and press on Continue at the bottom. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, open Gmail and you'll find this kind of code. Simply copy the code and then paste it in here. Press on Continue after that. After you've done that, you will be logged into your account. This is how to fix incorrect password in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.